May mali. Hello po. Tayo'y tapos nang magluto. At ito ang ating niluto. Yan, white rice. Yan, white rice. And then, a lintel. Yan, lintel with carrots, with potato. Yan po. At meron naman po tayong salad. Our salad is mixed salad. This one. Sarap naman po yan. Okay. Yan lang po today. Thank you. Chillax ng konti.